I tell my customers, it doesn't cost more to do it right. By going to the Landmark Pro, you're one and done. You're not gonna have to worry about putting another roof on your house in 25 years from now to sell it. I'm the owner of Dave Miner Exterior Home Improvements, LLC. Started my business 44 years ago. Pretty much all we do is architectural shingles. Most of our business is the Landmark Pro. Just like anything else, roofing is expensive. So what we've always tried to do, even back when we first started, you know, in the 80s, we always offered the customer a choice. By offering a good, better, best shingle, we're separating ourselves from our competitors. I basically break the shingles down for them, break the warranties down for them, show them the value of going one step above the entry-level shingle that everybody else sells. The Landmark Pro shingle with the better stain guard protection is going to look better. If you're at 25 years, it's not going to be worn as much as the entry-level shingles. So you're going to have a lot easier time sell the house. You're not going to have to worry about putting another roof on your house. So we're not only selling a shingle, but we're selling trust. Landmark Pro, it's more than just a shingle.